Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Klaviyo flows for abandoned cart recovery, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Flows tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Flow button. Choose the Create from Scratch option. Give your flow a name, like Abandoned Cart Recovery. Click Create Flow to continue. In the new Flow workspace, locate the Trigger section. Select Metric as the trigger type. Search for and choose Started Checkout as the trigger event. Click Done to confirm your selection. Next, drag the email action into your flow. Connect it to your Started Checkout trigger. Now, click on the email action box to configure it. Choose a template or design your email from scratch. Ensure the subject line is engaging. Craft a message that addresses the abandoned cart. Include a clear call to action button that leads back to the cart. Consider adding product images to make the email visually appealing. Next, set up a delay for your first email. Drag the time delay action into your flow. Set the delay to 1 hour for your first email. Continue the flow by adding another email. Connect this email action after the time delay. Customize this second email with a different angle. Perhaps include a discount code to encourage conversion. Add a second time delay if needed. Consider a follow-up email to be sent 1 day later. Once you've configured all emails, review your flow for any errors. Make sure each email action is properly connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.